In this video, I'll show you to author a question using an activity editor, so directly inside of the lesson editor or assignment editor. Now, when you do this, you can then use this new question right inside the lesson or assignment that you're creating. So be sure to check out the help topic and video guide for authoring a question directly from the content repository if you want to learn how to create a question first before you create an assignment or lesson. So with this method, of course, I'll be creating questions from within the lesson editor or assignment editor. So to begin, first log into Möbius and go to a class where you are an instructor and navigate to the content repository here in the top menu. Now here, you then choose in the top left to create new, either lesson or assignment. So I'll choose first to start with a new lesson. Now, if you're building a new one like I am right now, you'll work in the design tab, of course, of the lesson editor. And all you do is you click on here where it says empty page, new question text. Now, alternatively, you can also click on the page arrow right here next to any of your pages and click new question text. It doesn't matter which you choose. Either way, you'll be taken to here, the question editor within the lesson authoring tool itself. Now you may notice my screen just changed. I did jump over to the assignment editor. Now I wanted to show you how you can create a question from this editor as well as the lesson one. So here, go to the select questions tab, as I already am, and you can either click on new question if your assignment's completely empty to bring up the question editor, or let's say you already have some content here. Maybe you're modifying an existing assignment, or you already have imported some questions like I'm doing now on my screen. What you'll have is the add menu here at the left hand side, and here you can click on that and choose new question, and either way you'll still come up with the same question editor. So you can view the help topics and video guides for more information on creating in general new lessons and assignments. But let's move on to creating questions. So I'm going to stay here in the assignment editor. Now the question editor itself has several different tabs you can use to optimize the authoring of your new question. So be sure to check out the video guides and help topics in the description of this video for more information about that. For example, things such as what these different tabs mean in the question editor, the icons here of the visual editor itself, the toolbar, how to maybe author algorithmic content for your question, or even adding, hints and feedback. Now, do note that all of the Möbius question types that we have to offer can be authored from here. Like, you don't have to go to some other part of the platform to do certain special questions. They're all available here in this one area. Now, be sure to check out the video guide and help topic related to the available Möbius question type. So, as what I like to do is, as I'm working through a question, I do like to save the question occasionally. Now, to do so here, click on the save icon. Now, when you do so, it'll actually leave the editor. So if you want to modify again, click on the pencil icon to go back to modifying your question. Now, if you do want to preview it at any point, do click on the magnifying glass in the top left. This will, basically switch this to preview mode. I'll do it right now. It's very subtle, actually. Just click on the icon right here. Notice that the things disappear and you're now in preview mode. So click the pencil to go back to modify or edit mode. Now with that in general though, at the bottom here there is a save button at the bottom. This will allow you to save your activity thus far. So if you're authoring a lesson, or in my case an assignment, this will save your progress so far. Now when you're happy with your question, and you can always save it and you'll go back to creating your assignment. Whenever you're done with everything, to be honest, if you ever save and close and save your activity that you're modifying, the new question you just authored will also be in the content repository, the questions folder. So if I navigate here to the questions folder of my current class, I'll see the question I just created as well. So that is how you author a question using an activity editor.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.